Imagine holding the world's narrowest screen frame in your hand, experiencing a display that's larger yet feels smaller. Welcome to the future with Apple's iPhone 16 series, where innovation meets elegance. Get ready for a thrilling revelation. This year, Apple is all set to supersize its premium iPhone range, marking the first size upgrade in several years. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to stay updated and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to boast a 6.3-inch display, a noticeable increase from the previous 6.1 inches. Similarly, the Pro Max is set to impress with a 6.9-inch screen, up from 6.7 inches. But that's not all. We now have a complete breakdown of every dimension. Interestingly, despite the larger size, the iPhone 16 Pro models will feature a reduced screen border. Thanks to Chinese Weibo-based informants, Universe Ice, and Instant Digital, we now have confirmed bezel sizes for both the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. This gives us a detailed view of the dimensions of Apple's upcoming devices well ahead of the iPhone 16 series anticipated launch in mid-September. Last year, Apple managed to trim the screen border on the iPhone 15 Pro models using a technique known as low injection pressure over molding, or LiPo. This year, Apple is reportedly employing border reduction structure, BRS, technology, which allows for a more compact and efficient arrangement of the circuitry beneath the display, leading to even thinner bezels. The numbers speak for themselves. The screen border on the iPhone 16 Pro is a mere 1.2 millimeter down from 1.71 millimeter, marking a 30% reduction. The larger iPhone 16 Pro Max features a border of just 1.50 millimeter down from 1.55 millimeter, a 26% reduction. To put this into perspective, the border on the rival Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 1.5 millimeter. These reductions are set to crown Apple's premium smartphones with the world's narrowest screen frame. To truly appreciate the difference between last year's iPhone 15 Pro Max and the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max, Universe Ice has shared a revealing comparison image for users upgrading from an iPhone 15 Pro model. The screen border difference might seem minimal. However, it's important to remember that the displays on the iPhone 16 Pro models are larger, and a slimmer screen border means the overall size of the phone won't need to increase as much. This is likely to make a significant difference when you're actually holding the phone and viewing the screen. For those considering an upgrade from an older iPhone Pro model, the screen differences are quite striking. Universe Ice has provided a handy comparison of the iPhone 16 Pro Max alongside the iPhone 13 Pro Max released in 2021. If the slimmer bezels don't seem like a game changer on their own, remember that the new iPhones also come with upgraded camera technology, a new capture button, advanced modem chips, fresh color options, and more. For a comprehensive overview of all the models in Apple's iPhone 16 series, stay tuned for our dedicated iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro roundups. It's time to embrace the future of smartphones. And that wraps up our deep dive into the exciting world of Apple's iPhone 16 series. We've journeyed through the innovative features, marveled at the sleek design, and explored the cutting-edge technology that sets these devices apart. Remember, with slimmer bezels, larger displays, and a host of other enhancements, the iPhone 16 series is truly a game changer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest tech trends and insights. And if you're considering an upgrade, we hope this video has given you a comprehensive overview of what to expect from Apple's newest offerings. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the future of technology with us. Peace out.